The Subnado underwater scooter is about the size of a small soda bottle. Your Subnado goes where you go, conveniently in your carry-on luggage. With an airline-approved 98Wh battery to add more fun to your underwater journey. Subnado, using advanced 100W fast charging technology, only takes 1.2 hours to fully charge its battery. 3-speed gear and cruise mode, which allows you to cruise through the water for up to 56 minutes. The finger ring controller, 3 types, can control the Subnado with a single finger. With various mount bracket accessories, the Subnado can be attached anywhere on your arms or legs, and even a gas cylinder, freeing your hands. The mounting ring can add up to 3 extra accessories, improving stability for shooting video. SUP board brackets and buoyancy board boost the fun of overwater activities. Dive deeper with the Subnado Sea Scooter, encased in a robust and anodized aluminum alloy housing, which can go as deep as 197 feet. A detachable finger safeguard is fitted to reduce the risks of accidental propeller injury.